Hello students, Unit 6, English Notes 7th class, Part 2. Lesson name A Great Cartoonist. Comprehension. First question, answer the following questions. When was R.K. Lakshman born? R.K. Lakshman, Rasipuram, Krishna Swami Lakshman was born on 23rd October 1924 in Mysuru. Second question, what is the brother of R.K. Lakshman known for? Answer. His elder brother R.K. Narayan is a famous story writer in English. Third question, name the Hindi film that has R.K. Lakshman's cartoon pictures. Answer. His cartoons have also appeared in the Hindi film Mr. and Mrs. 55. Second main, answer the following in 2 or 3 sentences. Discuss the answers with your friends in your group. First question, how did R.K. Lakshman start drawing? Answer. R.K. Lakshman was attracted by the pictures that he observed in the newspapers. He would also observe objects around him like leaves, lizard-like creatures, and a number of crows on rooftops of the opposite building. He started drawing those pictures on the walls, doors, and windows of his house. All this he did before he went to school. Second question, which are the various places in which R.K. Lakshman's cartoons are used? Answer. Lakshman became very serious about cartoon pictures and started drawing for magazines, newspapers, and the cover pages for almost all his brother's books. Third main, rearrange the following sentences in the order as they appear in your lesson. First sentence is Lakshman was born on 23rd October 1924 in Mysore. Second one, Lakshman was the captain of his local cricket team. Third one, Lakshman started drawing for magazines and newspapers. Fourth one, Lakshman created a popular mascot for Asian Paints called Gattu in 1954. Language activity. Fourth main. Discuss with your friend and write a sentence about the kind of work the people in the list do. One example is given. Cartoonist. A person who draws cartoon pictures is called a cartoonist. Farmer. A person who work in farms like grow crops and put farm animals is called farmer. Pilot. A person who flies aeroplane is called pilot. Driver. A person who drives car, bus, lorry, etc. is called driver. Soldier. A person who save our country is called soldier. Speaking skills. What do you want to be when you grow up? Why? This is a nice question that will be asked the whole of your life. But how to ask it and how to answer it is indeed a huge task. Try to learn it. Complete the dialogue and practice it with your friends. Teacher. What do you want to be when you grow up? Student. I want to be a doctor. Teacher. Why do you want to be a doctor? Student. I want to be a doctor because I want to make social work and I want to treat ill and sick people. Teacher. Where do you have to study for that? Student. I have to study in college. Teacher. How will you plan for it? Student. After second PUC, I will write NEET exam, then If I passed it, I joined to MBBS course and practice it. Listen to a short passage. Read by your teacher. Children, be attentive. Whenever you hear the P sound in the words girls should get up, and whenever you hear to a B sound, boys should get up. Now listen. John went to a shop to buy a cup, but he bought a cap. He put on that cap, bought some butter. Went home, he spread butter on the bread and gave it to his brother. Add er or ist to form words and see what happens to it. One example is given. Drive plus er driver, paint plus er painter, cartoon plus ist cartoonist, teach plus er teacher, journal plus ist journalist. Extended activity. Try to draw a cartoon which consists of your school, your friends, and your school bell. Try to write a caption for it. Caption. A sentence you have to write below the cartoon to explain it. The caption given below the picture reads, "It's neither coffee nor tea, it's plain muddy water from the tap." Try to draw a picture for this.